In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily transfer files from an iPhone to an Android without using any applications. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm going to show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, you need to make sure that both of the devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Once it is done, you need to open up a web browser on both of your devices. On an iPhone, I'm going to use Safari. On an Android, I'm going to use Chrome. Once it is done, you need to head over to snapdrop.net website on both of the devices. You can just enter snapdrop.net in the address bar, and also you can search for Snapdrop at Google and then follow the first link. Once you opened up a web browser on both of your devices and followed snapdrop.net, it will connect both of the devices to each other. It says that devices are connected. It shows that my Android device connected to iPhone and my iPhone device connected to Android. And then we can just, by tapping right here at that button, transfer any files, any photos to an Android device. So I'm just going to tap on it, and then it allows us to select photo library. We can also take photo or video using our camera to transfer it to another device, and also we can select choose files. I'm gonna select that one. It will open up files on my device, and here I can select any file or multiple files that I would like to transfer to an Android. For example, here I have a MP3 file, and also here I have some photos saved in my downloads folder. Then, once we've selected all the files, to transfer them to an Android, we need to tap at Open, and it immediately starts transferring all that files one by one. As you can see, photo has just been received. It says file received. It says that it is a JPG file. It shows us the preview, and on an Android we can ignore that file, or we can tap at Save to save it. I'm going to tap at Save, then Save again, and now it says that 2 downloads complete. We can get into details, and it shows us here that we've saved photo and MP3 file. We can easily find that files at our files on the internal storage of an Android device. If we use Files app on my device, it is located at Samsung folder, then My Files, and here at Recents we can easily find the files we have just downloaded. Let's say if we would like to filter the files by that categories, we can select audio files. Here it is. And also we can select images, and that's where we can easily find the photo we have just transferred from an iPhone device. That's how you can easily transfer files from an iPhone to an Android device. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.